this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to crochet the herringbone hat. Yes, it's called, the stitch, I believe it's called herringbone hat. I didn't know what it was called until I've been searching and searching, because I learned this years ago at a when you hold it this way, it looks like purl stitches, doesn't it? Knit purl stitch. Yeah. Well, you start from here in the middle. You go round and around. I just loaded a simple way how to crochet the single crochet way of making hats. It's the same way I have done it, but the stitch I worked on it. It's called a herringbone stitch. And I did not teach you how to show how it's done. I never had the time. I do apologize, but today I am going to show you. It's very easy. The only way I can say is this herringbone stitch is done in a round. You can make a collar, a neck warmer that is done around and around, and hat. You cannot crochet this on a flat, like going back and forth. It will not work because the stitch is done over and over on a round. Okay, further ado, I will put the pattern. It's the simple way to do it. And then we just start with a slip knot, and I'm using the same yarn that I've been using this couple of videos, and it's 4-weight yarn, and the crochet hook is a 6mm crochet hook, size 10, I believe, or 0. Is that US? I think it's the US 10. Okay, so I'm just going to do a slip knot, and then I'm going to do, it's just a regular, but the stitch is done this way. Okay, as you are doing a double crochet, but the trick is you pull it like doing a slip stitch. This makes that can you see it? It creates this, and it makes it unique. And you pull the second loop. So let's show it again. One, go yarn over, and then as if to do a double crochet or half double crochet, but you don't go like this, you go like this. You pull it like doing a slip stitch, and then you pull the rest. So we have to do 4 more of this. It's very sometimes because I did lots of crocheting today. Yeah, and then you do second. So this is 3. So 3 loops. You pull the first one, and then you go yarn over, grab a yarn, then you pull the remaining 2. So we have 4. This is the 5th. Pull the 2, then pull the remaining 5, and then 6. Just like this. So we have total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pulling this, and then I jump again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I jump here, I go yarn over, and I do double on each. I do double. So 2, and then 2, and then 2. Then you go to the next one, 2, 2. Oops, did I do 2 or 2, 2? Yeah. So this row we should have 12. So pull the first, the remaining. I just wanted to confirm, I'm working on another hat. You can make the band, the rib like this, and then you can start from here. I'm going to do the tutorial on this one as well. And then you can work on this stitch as the same way. I haven't done that one because I feel this goes very fast. So you can work on this one and then go up, same thing, and then you start decreasing. But I like going top down. Did I do 2 here? Yeah, 2. So this is all to it. It's very easy and simple. And then you just follow the pattern. I will put it on the description below. It's same as we did the single crochet hat, and the ribbing is same, camel toe. I did the same on the edge, the last row. And it's but the only thing is this feels softer because of the texture that it gives those bumps that we are crocheting. See, this isn't soft as is this. Like this is more softy and like cozy feeling. That's all I can say. It's the same yarn, but it gives you that different texture. I'm planning to make a neck warmer too. Okay, with this stitch, because it's really goes fast, and it gives you this nice texture. You can't make a baby blanket out of this stitch though. It's nice texture, but unfortunately, yeah, this is the wrong side of the work, side of the hat. But it doesn't work. It looks like when you crochet it on a flat, it more looks like a half double crochet. Gives that texture instead of giving this texture. You can make a round and around baby blanket, and then what you call those, cocoon. You can make a cocoon out of this. Yeah, same thing. Go round and around, make it longer, put your baby in. Oh wow, that would be nice. Just imagine what you can do. Just think, and it just pops out of my head. Sometimes I write it down. I have so many tutorials to show too. There's endless. It keeps on, new things comes up, and there's always a lot of things to do. New tutorials, new stitches. Okay, I forgot to put my marker, so I'm gonna put my marker and see. Okay, I just came back to show you. So I'm on the 3rd row, and I did my increase. So I'm going to do 1, and then on the next I'm going to do my double twice. And you just follow the pattern. If you have any problem, just refer or go back. I will put the link on the single crochet. It's done same, but we just use this stitch. That's the only thing is different. We just work on this stitch. So 1, and then on the next one we do 2. Gives you this gorgeous texture. See, it looks nice too, and I think it's appropriate for men beanies too. What do you guys think? Okay, so I'm gonna let you crochet, and I will come back to show you how it's done, because the more you crochet, the better it becomes. Same as here. When you hold it this way, this is how it's done. Go round and around. Same as this. Okay, I just wanted to show you how it looks like when you crochet one stitch around and around for 10 rows. We're increasing, and after the 10 rows we just crochet the same stitch round and around the length that you wanted. I would say about 25 to 28 total of 28 rows after crocheting 10 rows of the increase. So just go like this. This is the stitch. This is all to it. So you crochet the same stitch over and over, and it gives you this gorgeous in spiral round and around, and it gives you this gorgeous texture. Just like this. You can make baby hats out of this stitch. Anything that you want. You can make a cocoon. I think that would be a great idea for newborn. Anything you want to make it round, neck warmers, anything. Socks, mittens, anything that you crochet round, you can use this stitch. Go like this and this. Here's the increase, so I increase here. Okay, so I will let you crochet, and I will come back to show you when I'm on the 10th row. I'm on the 10th row, and the 10th row is our last doing increases. This is how it looks like so far. This is the back. So the 10th row is 2 single crochet in the last two single crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet in each stitches for the next the next 8 stitches. 4 times we do that, and after when you do the 4-time increase, we just crochet not single crochet, it's the herringbone stitch that we're crocheting, but the pattern is the same pattern that I have used to knit to crochet the hat, single crochet hat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. And I do my 2 herringbone stitch, and I continue doing this 3 more times, and then this is all to it. Okay, so I will crochet a couple of more rows. After this, I don't do any increase. I just continue crocheting round and around, same stitch round and around to create the hat. Okay, so I will continue crocheting a couple of more rows, and I will be back to show you how it looks like. It's just a repeat because I'm not taping every single stitch that I am doing, and it's very easy. It's the same stitch that I'm repeating, nothing different. It's just this stitch, and this is all to it. So I'm just repeating this stitch, and I'm just following the pattern to create the hat. But if you don't want to do any increases, any decreases, you can just crochet around and around and make a neck warmer for yourself. So this is the second increase. Now we'll do 2 more times, and I will just do single crochet around and around. Okay, I'll see you back later. Okay, so I have finished my 10th row. I finished the increases, and I'm just going to go around and around crocheting the herringbone stitch, and this is all I'm going to be doing. So this is the only way to crochet this, so we just repeat over and over. The Herringbone. I'm getting confused. I'm having a hard time repeating the name of the stitch, but it turns out just perfectly. So I'm just going to let you crochet, and this is all to it. You just repeat. You crochet the same stitch over and over, and you just do the camel toe stitch, and then you finish it. And like I said, if you want to start it from the ribbing, you can crochet the ribbing, as I have done so many times. I did a tutorial. I can put the link as below to how to crochet this. Well, I'm going to do this tutorial next, so this will be on my next tutorial, and I will teach you how to crochet this stitch. I don't want to give many details, but you can crochet crochet it like this, or you can do back loop, and then you can start from here around and around, same using the stitch. But I don't know, I like it crocheting it top down, so I just wanted to share you this. I believe 2015 I saw this stitch, and I kept on postponing to share it with you guys. So I hope you like this tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting! Doesn't this look nice? Oh my goodness, I love the stitch. I'm going to start one for myself actually. I want to do a neck warmer and a hat to match it. Okay, have a great day. Happy crocheting!